Hey guys, so I am back. I am going to be trying out the new Revlon paddle brush dryer. I've never used one of these before in my life. I grew up on the regular blow dryer with the comb attached. I never thought we could use this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I saw good reviews. I'm already washed and conditioned my hair. I used the Miche conditioner and I did the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to prep. This is also my first time ever in life using heat protectant. I know, please don't come for me in the comments. Oh my god, it smells so good. So maybe I should have brought a towel. Use that rope for now. I'm gonna do it on low. They have off, cool, low, high. Those are the different settings. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on low and see how it works out.
Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Ain't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. If you not, then I'm on tomorrow. That's how I feel, act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% percentage. Attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect fitted. Perfect.
Alright, I don't know y'all, we go see. I'm gonna get my hair braided today, so we're gonna see if it is braider approved. And if she says it's braider approved, then I guess it's cool. Alright, we go tackle the other side. So far, like I said, it's cool. If anything, this heat protectant is where it's at. It smells so freaking good, y'all.
G-Wagon, all you been the girl them, ride with me. I know fi, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do so I'm plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, the girl them, ride with me. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, the girl them, ride with me. I know.
Whew, that was some work. So all in all, it was cool. If I had to pick, I would probably stick to the blow dryer with the teeth, like the regular blow dryer with the teeth attached. I did like the handle on this one. It made it easier for me to blow dry, especially with my left hand since I'm right-handed. That was good. It detangled really well. It didn't snag on my hair. That was another pro. But it didn't really give me the effect that it would give me when I use the blow dryer with the teeth on it. With this, because the bristles are like super, it's a brush. And I have kinky hair. Cool product, but I think I'm gonna stick to the blow dryers with the teeth. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time.